This is Indomie fried noodles. This is the chili sauce. I think this is the paste, and this is the seasoning oil. Fried onion. This is the seasoning. Okay, now I'm gonna put the water in. This is the hot water. I just put it over the noodle. It's already 4 minutes. And it says they want you to drain all the water. Or you can just put the noodle into the bowl. I think now I'm going to put the noodle into the bowl. This is the fried onion. This is seasoning. I'm not sure if I should put them all in. I think probably just put them half. This is the seasoning oil. I put the seasoning oil in. And this is the paste. I'm gonna to mix them together and to decide if I need any chili sauce. Just think that a little bit dry. And now it's good. This is the noodle that without the chili sauce. Let me try. It got very strong onion flavor. And this is not salty because I put like 2/3 of the seasoning powder. And it is a little bit sweet. And this is the dry onion. It contains a lot of flavor. Alright, I'm gonna to enjoy my fried noodle. Thank you for watching.